everyone. It is Charlotte here, and we are on round 2. So hopefully round 2 is going to be better than round 1. Okay, so what you missed and what I was talking about is I am doing a new design team project for Medieval Mirage. And I am going to do the bag ephemera journal, but it is going to be in between the bags. It's going to be a journal, so there's going to be journal pages. I've never done one of these before. It will be different than having, like, say, pages with, an occasional 1 or 2 bags in between. I want to emboss the bags, or not emboss the bags, but embellish the bags with collage and paperwork. And instead of having the bags upright like this, I am turning them to the side. So this is a new concept for me. It may have been done before, I'm sure. I have no idea. I have many journal digitals to print out. I've only printed out these 4. And the cover. The cover is going to be something new for me as well, because it's going to be removable. So I thought I'd turn the camera on, let you know what I'm going to do, and then we're going to do it together. Now, I did go through the bags in the previous video that I lost. And so let me just explain really quickly what I did. So this bag here, I went ahead and just pulled a variety of bags that I thought would look good. This is a lunch style bag, and what I did is, I took the gusset, which would be, let me find one with the gusset. Oh my goodness. Does this have a gusset? I think I left the gusset in this one. Okay, so what I did for this one is I cut the gusset. It would have the bottom, which is this piece right here. So this one doesn't, because I had cut it off, but let's pretend this has the bottom. So I cut the gusset here, and then I cut to the bottom on the diagonal. So that allowed me to be able to glue these flaps down and this flap down. So once I did that, I decided I wanted this to be a pocket, and I wanted this up here to be a large pocket. You can kind of see where I glued everything down, folded this over, and then glued the bottom, and glued this very top here, right here, so that this could be a pocket, this could be a pocket. Then I glued this shut because I wanted this to be the pocket. So I came in here and I glued the gusset down on both ends so that this would just be a single pocket. Then I glued the bottom. So we've got a pocket this way, we've got a pocket here, and we've got a pocket here. So that is one bag. Then we've got this brown bag here, and I am going to use digital papers, and I'm covering this up just like I did in the previous embellished bag that I did. Then we've got this here CVS bag, and I'm leaving the gussets because you can add a tag here and you can add a tag here, and that's what I want. 4 tags in these 2 pockets. Then we've got this bag here. There are no gussets. This is the largest bag. And then we've got this bag here, and what did I do? I left the gussets on this one as well so that I could add more tags, because what happens is if you glue these gussets down, this is what you have. You only have this much space, and that's quite a lot. I don't really know that you need more, but do you see how much more you have if you don't glue your gussets down. So I left this. If I change my mind later, I can always glue the gussets down. This one, I left this gusset and this gusset, and what did I do? And I glued both the sides down. So this is just like this, and there's nothing at the top, nothing at the bottom. And this too, I remember I did leave the gussets on one of these. Okay, I glued the bottom of this one. This one I left because they were deep gussets. And I want this to be the top so that I also can use this. So more than likely, I am going to glue this, and then I'm gonna have a pocket there. So maybe we should let's do that right now. So if I glue this right up here, I still have the gusset. See, I still have the gusset, so I still have that room. And then up here, I've got a pocket right there, a deep pocket. So I decided, let's go ahead and use those. I am just going to have to remember that this is the top, because if this was the bottom, anything I put in there is going to fall down. So I think what I'm going to do, just to make sure that I know that, is I am going to put, well, that paper clip's not going to work. I'm going to put a paper clip up here just to tell me that that's the top. So I have those bags that I know I want to use. Then I've got these two bags, and they kind of go with the colors in here. I chose this pattern, and I'm going to go through and I'm going to pull from my stash. I like these colors together. I'm going to pull from my stash other digital papers from Medieval Mirage to put in here, and we're going to kind of assemble that, but one thing at a time. So I want to use these two bags, and these will be upright, or I guess I could put them in this way. Or do I want to have, it is a bag. I do want the emphasis on Medieval Mirage and the bags. And I'm thinking, do I want to have a couple bags that go this way, or do I want all the bags? I think I want a couple bags. I think these two bags I'm going to have go upright. So what I'm going to need to do, unless I wanted to glue these onto a page or another bag, is they need a hinge. So I think let's create a hinge where where it's going to get sewn into the journal, right? So it will be sewn, and I think just to make it a little bit stronger, I am going to add some tape. Because this is going to get sewn. So this is going to go this way on here like that. Yeah, we're going to need something to adhere this. So let's go ahead and hinge this and hinge the other one, the other bag. So I am probably going to go in about that far. I think that'll work. About that far. Don't want it too close to the spine, but I don't want it too far away either. So I think that's going to work, and then we're going to do the same thing with this one. I'm going to go just like this. This is a little bit closer, which I think will be all right. Put the pin in my glue bottle. So what you're going to get with this is, because we are starting a new project from the very beginning, you're going to get the prep work. And that's what this is, just getting ready to get this where we want it to go. So this will go in between a page like this, just like that. Hopefully that will work. So I know that I need a lineup of bags. And this is going to stick out. This is all going to be collaged, but this is going to stick out. So I know I want, let's see, how do I want this to go? Got a bag that opens like that. Then we've got the possibility and let's just say, for sake of saying, that we put this like that. I don't know how many journal pages will be together. Then we've got, make sure that this has no top. Put that like that. And then maybe go with this one like this. I know that there are a few of you that are creating the bags like I created earlier, the last one I did. And you gave me a shout out, and I really, really appreciate that. And so I'm hoping that this will be equally as fun, and you will want to give this a try. So I am going to have to go and print out quite a few more pages. I am not positive that this is going to be the digital layout, but this is going to be, I think, the bag layout, because I'm really liking the way that this looks. And I think if I put that down there like that, the cover is probably going to be this size, maybe a little bit smaller. And so, let's see, I like that. I like the way that this looks. I think I might like this to be here like that. So if we have, let's see what we've got. We have this bag and this bag, and a journal page and a bag, journal page and a bag, and a bag. I think I might prefer this to be like this, and this to be like this. And a journal page, and here's a bag, and journal page. Like I said, I need to go get more journal pages, I think, and then 2 bags like that. I think I really like the way that this looks. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bags, and I think that's gonna look really, really good. I might add another bag. We'll have to see how we, I'm gonna go print out some more pages, but this is going to be, I know this video is really, really short, but this is going to be the start of a new journal, and I think this is going to be really fun. I do have this bag that I had, and I did cut the ends, and maybe we'll use this too. Why not, right? I mean, why not? It's here. Let's fold it. Let's give it a good crease. And let's put this right here. Just like that. All right, guys, so this is going to be the start of something that I think is going to be a whole lot of fun. And I think I'm going to work through this because I have to find whatever the thickness of this is going to be. And I think that we will either have a heavy cardstock cover over this, or a file folder with collage work over this, and then it is going to have a lace and fabric and wood cover over this whole thing that can be removed. So I think that if I can get the idea that's in my head here on the table, I think we're going to have a lot of fun creating this. So I am going to go print off some more pages so that we can play with this. And I will see you in the next video. So if you want to play along, get your papers. You don't have to have a digital kit. Just get your papers and get your bags, pull them out, get them going, and we will do this together. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.